guys, in today's video I'm sharing with you how to make a wreath. February is almost here, so I decided to make a spring wreath for my front door. So I have these from Jumbo, some faux flowers, and I also have this. This is dried tassel bunny something it is called, and I made one for with white and one with natural brownish with a little bit of gold, something like that. It's already made. It looks like this or like this. I'm not sure if I just want a little peak of white or I want the whole shebang. I will use some grass like this also, and I also have a metallic silver base like so. Now I'm not sure how I should start. Probably just cutting a little bit of grass from these flowers and start from there. Oh, okay. This is actually cool because it's yay! Okay, I'm not cutting the grass. I have some plastic scotch tape that ties everything together, and that will help me a lot. And these will be added last, I think, or something. It's between the plants, but let's see. Hold on. Now you can see the faux grass. I got my hot glue gun, heated, and I will put a little bit more. The more the merrier. Here, like so. And I will start rolling everything. Now, when I rolled everything, it looks like so. And I need a little bit more something around here, so I can tie it somehow around so. So I guess I will just roll a little bit of them. Let's see how they will manage to look, to be everything more closer to the bottom, if it make it on top, if it makes any sense. We will see what I can do. This is everything that I could do for now. The top is here, but I will work with it and see what I can do next. But for now I think I will add these tassel stuff like so, and see how it turns out. This is so far what I started gluing up. Haha, I found these and I think they're good. I think they will come in handy because I don't know what should I do anymore. It looked so simple to make a wreath, and now I start to regret my decisions because it's not simple at all. Guess what? But you know, you learn, you live and you learn, or at least that's what they say. Okay, I think that's good. Now I have to cut this sucker out. I don't have many of these, so that's a blast and a half. But you know, you work with what you have. Now I glued the bow and wrap this part with some brown material, and it looks like this, but I think it's a little bit too it misses something here and here, so I will add glue, just a few more flowers like so, just to not be so weird. Huh? What do you think? Let's see. I will show you the final results in a few seconds. Okay, travel bees, are you ready? Ta-da! I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. It was a little bit, let me tell you about it. It really was a little bit of pain. And I'm not sure if the bow is actually right, straight or not. But this is all that it's good enough. It's not much, but it's honest work, and it was a labor of love. So I hope you enjoyed this video and see you guys later. Bye!